how to play the most recognisable Motown fill. All this is an inverted 6-stroke roll. That might be absolute gibberish to you, and that's okay. A 6-stroke roll is usually right, left, right, left, left. However, inverted means that we just shift it along one, so you end up going right, left, right, left instead, which makes this fantastic kind of rolling motion, like that. So this feels quite literally an inverted 6-stroke roll with an extra one at the end. Before you try moving everything around, make sure you get these on the snare drum first, obviously, because otherwise it will sound very weird and not very fluid. Doesn't need to be that fast, just needs to be clean. And then what you're going to do, the first right is just going to be on the high tom. Right, left, right, left. Then just one extra one on the snare drum. Basically on the 2, 1, 2, and then on the and of 2, you're going to put a floor tom. 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and. And that's it. If you want to learn how to play this groove, then check out the New Drummers Toolkit playlist. That's where that's going to be. So go forth being all Motowny and things.